Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make the simple but delicious caramel flan. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipe of other yummy food. Let's look at the ingredients now. Full recipe is in description underneath the video. Prepare caramel syrup first. At medium heat, boil 100 grams of sugar with 50 grams of water in a saucepan. Do not stir the mixture. Cook until mixture turns amber color. Turn off heat. Carefully add 25 grams of warm water. Be careful of the hot steam and bubbles. Pour syrup into 20 ramekins and refrigerate. My recipe is with reduced sweetness. You may increase the sugar according to your own preference. Mix milk and 100 grams of sugar in a saucepan. Heat up mixture to 80 degrees Celsius to melt sugar, then remove from heat. Whisk eggs. And don't forget to boil water for steaming or preheat steam oven. Add whipping cream to the milk mixture. Add vanilla. Whisk to mix. Add eggs to the mixture when it's below 50 degrees Celsius. Otherwise, the eggs will be cold if the temperature is too high. Whisk to mix well. Sieve the egg mixture through a strainer for 3 times. Pour the sieved mixture into the ramekins. Wrap top of each ramekin with aluminum foil securely. Steam for 15 to 20 minutes until the custard is set. Remove aluminum foil. Top of custard is very smooth. Wrap and refrigerate the custard for 4 hours or overnight. Run a toothpick along the edge of custard. Invert the custard out. Looks so yummy already. Let me try a bite first. So creamy and delicious. The creamy caramel flan is now ready to serve. Enjoy!